Wanted to go over the stocks that I'm watching this morning. I got 4 of them on my watch list this morning that should be running pretty decent. Now, the first one I wanted to go over was ILS. This is obviously has been on my watch list for a few days, and I went against my own rules yesterday, and I bought this without confirmation of the breakout. I actually held it overnight. I'm in at 474. I believe I bought right here before it had a little bit of a run. Just kind of consolidated all day, sold off a little bit in the afternoon, closed around 4.7, so down a little bit on that one, but I have a pretty wide risk based on previous history. Still consolidating under highs, so I believe it could potentially break out in the future. The next one is CYBL. CYBL, I did the same thing. I bought yesterday without confirmation of one direction or the other. I have 100,000 of this one. Consolidating right above 4.2. It actually broke below a little bit yesterday, which is not a sign of strength, but it's on low volume, so I'm not overly concerned with that one. Hopefully we'll get a spike out of both of those today. One that is in play today, AABB. So I lost a little bit of money on this one yesterday. I bought off its highs somewhere right in this area, or actually back here, I believe. And then obviously it sold off, and I sold right below, right in this area. It actually wound up coming back yesterday. It finished pretty strong, and it's showing a huge gap up this morning. More than likely the gap up won't be that big by the time the market opens, but we'll look for some continuation on that and maybe a multi-day breakout above 286, and then it could run even beyond that. The last one I wanted to take a peek at this morning was INND. Now INND has put in 4 red days now. I'm thinking this one's about due for a first green day bounce type idea, and we're looking for it to be. You can see how it had some strength in this area before, so we're looking for it to bounce off that area of strength. And as a bonus, they actually put out a PR this morning announcing a partnership. So it's very possible that this could put in a first green day today. So we're going to be keeping an eye on that one. Look for some strength out of the gate. If it has a fair amount of strength, buy in out of the open. If not, then we'll wait for it to pull back off from its highs a little bit, or even do maybe a possible dip and rip move. That's all I have for us to keep an eye on this morning. Best of green days to you.